Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Moid, and welcome back to our beginner-friendly AI journey. Today we're diving into something really cool. Did you know you're using artificial intelligence every single day? And you probably don't even realize it? From the moment you wake up to when you fall asleep, AI is right there with you, in your phone, your apps, even your fridge. Let's explore how AI is quietly running your daily life. Part 1. Morning routine. AI in your pocket? Let's start with your phone. That face unlock feature? Yup, AI. It scans your face using something called facial recognition. And when you ask Siri or Google Assistant for the weather, that's AI listening and understanding you like a little digital butler. Even your camera is smart. Ever notice how it blurs the background or adjusts lighting? That's AI making you look good. Part 2. AI at work or school. Now you're replying to emails and using apps like Gmail. Did you notice those smart suggestions while typing? That's AI helping you finish sentences. At school or work, if you use tools like Grammarly or Google Translate, guess what? That's AI polishing your language or helping you communicate better. Part 3. Fun time. AI while you chill. Chilling with music? Spotify recommends songs based on your vibe. That's AI learning your taste. Watching Netflix or YouTube? The reason you see videos you love on the homepage is because AI tracks what you watch and makes smart suggestions. Even your video games might have AI characters that act smart, not just running into walls like the old days. Part 4. Smart life at home. Got a smart home device like Alexa or a smart TV that recommends shows? AI is at the heart of all that. Some smart fridges even remind you when food is about to expire. Wild, right? And sick. So next time you swipe through your phone, play music, or binge watch a series, remember, AI is working behind the scenes to make your life smoother, smarter, and more fun. AI isn't just robots and sci-fi stuff. It's here, it's every day, and it's only going to grow from here. If you found this cool or surprising, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI videos, and drop a comment below telling me where you spotted AI in your daily life. I'm Dr. Moid, and I'll see you tomorrow, where we explore how AI compares to the human brain. You don't want to miss it.